Bounce pass, Vidmar goes up for the two-handed jam. Slovenija. Pulls up and draws the foul. It's going to be a 4-point play. Opportunity. Unbelievable. One of the plays of the game. One of the plays of the tournament, in fact. The shot, he was going to get the foul. Sastre right behind him.
It's a technique. Obviously, he was dead on center as he came down the court.
Rodriguez goes between the legs. And then good defense from Slovenia, knocking it away.
4-on-1.
They've got numbers.
Randolph.
Oh, the left-handed jamaroo.
Can he do it again?
Well, they find Randolph open, but didn't look like he was quite set. He's going to put it up anyway. It's good.
Anthony Randolph.
Capelch is not going to mess around. He's going to take one and be the zone buster. Dragic finds his way in, goes back in, and look at that. Unbelievable.
Knew exactly where everyone was.
And wow. Dragic banks in the three.